Good morning. You are watching the India Pulse News Top 10 Quick News. 10 stories. 5 minutes. Zero noise. We are bringing you the 10 most important India stories of the day, plus one global development that matters to India. No debates. No distractions. Just verified facts. Let's begin. India-UK trade deal takes effect. India-UK Free Trade Agreement enters into force. India's landmark trade pact with the United Kingdom has come into effect. The deal gives nearly 99% of Indian exports duty-free access to the UK market. Sectors like textiles, leather, footwear, engineering goods, marine products, and processed food are expected to benefit. The agreement also includes relief for Indian professionals working in the UK through the Social Security arrangement. Officials say the pact is designed to deepen trade, investment, and market access between the two countries. This can boost Indian exports and improve opportunities for businesses and workers linked to the UK market. Heavy rain warning across states. IMD warns of heavy to very heavy rain in several states. The India Meteorological Department has issued rain alerts for multiple states, including Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, and parts of the northeast. Officials are warning of heavy to very heavy rainfall in several belts. This could affect travel, road movement, and local flood conditions in vulnerable areas. State administrations are expected to stay on alert as monsoon activity continues. Rain alerts can disrupt daily life, transport, and disaster response in several regions. Parliament monsoon session pressure. Monsoon session of Parliament faces early political tension. The monsoon session of Parliament is set to begin on 20th July, and early political friction is already visible. Opposition parties are preparing to challenge the centre on issues including the proposed constitution amendment bill and delimitation concerns. Leaders have also begun sharpening their positions ahead of the session. The coming days are likely to bring intense parliamentary debate on major national issues. Parliament's monsoon session may shape the government's legislative agenda and political messaging. Iran conflict impact. Renewed US strikes on Iran raise India's energy concerns. The conflict involving the United States and Iran has escalated again, with fresh strikes reported. The situation is being watched closely in India because of its dependence on energy flows through the Strait of Hormuz. Any prolonged disruption can affect all supply routes, freight movement, and global prices. Indian officials and markets are likely to track the developments very closely. India's energy security and trade routes can be hit quickly if tensions stay high. India's trade and industry push. Cabinet cleared projects and policy measures worth 2.19 lakh rupees crore move forward. The Union Cabinet has approved a large package of projects and policy measures worth 2.19 lakh rupees crore. The list includes Semicon 2.0, support for mobile phone manufacturing, railway capacity expansion, and major infrastructure work. The move signals continued focus on manufacturing, supply chains, and long-term industrial growth. Several sectors are expected to see follow-on investment and execution in the coming months. These approvals can influence jobs, manufacturing output, and infrastructure development. Bihar polling booth reform. Bihar becomes the first state to cap polling stations below 1,200 electors. Bihar has become the first state to cap all polling stations below 1,200 electors. The Election Commission's move has led to the addition of 12,870 new polling stations. The stated goal is to improve voter convenience and reduce crowding at booths. This change could matter in future electoral management across the state. Smaller voter loads at booths can make voting easier and more efficient. Kerala drug crackdown. Excise raid leads to major seizure in Kerala. In Kerala, the Excise Department arrested a man during a statewide operation against drug trafficking. Officials say they recovered 6,400 prescription pills worth around 30 lakh rupees. The case is part of a wider enforcement drive against misuse and illegal circulation of controlled medicines. Authorities say more checks are likely under the ongoing operation. Prescription drug trafficking remains a serious public health and enforcement issue. Noida fire rescue. Residents escape building blaze using a bamboo bridge. A fire at a Noida building forced residents to escape using a makeshift bamboo bridge. The fire reportedly began on the ground floor and smoke quickly spread to upper levels. Emergency teams responded as the situation created panic in the area. The incident has raised fresh questions about fire safety in residential buildings. Building fire safety and evacuation readiness can save lives during emergencies. India monsoon update. Himachal Pradesh monsoon is expected to regain strength. Weather officials say the monsoon is expected to become active again across Himachal Pradesh from 18th July. Rainfall may continue across all districts through 22nd July. The mid-hills and adjoining lower plains are expected to see fairly widespread rain. Local authorities are likely to monitor landslide and road safety risks closely. Strong monsoon activity can affect transport, hillsides, and everyday movement in the region. Sports and social activities. FIFA World Cup semi-final bus lifts interest in Assam. Assam has allowed restaurants to stay open until 3:30 a.m. during the FIFA World Cup semi-finals and final. The decision is aimed at supporting late-night viewing while also allowing business activity to continue. Safety measures are expected to remain in place during the extended hours. It shows how global sports events can shape local public schedules and commerce. Global sports events can influence business hours, public viewing, and local economy. That's the top 10 India news for 16th July 2026. For verified updates that matter, stay with the India Pulse News Top 10 Quick.